Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to sign up for the DMV Practice Test app. So if you want to create an account and save your study progresses, then just follow along. First, open the DMV Practice Test app after installing it. Then tap sign up or create account if the app offers account registration. Then enter your email address and create a secure password. Some apps also let you sign up using your Google or Apple account. Next, select your state so the app can display the correct practice questions for your DMV exam. Then complete any email verification if required. And once your account has been created, you can start taking practice tests, track your progress, and continue studying across multiple devices if the app supports syncing. And if the app doesn't require an account, you can simply begin using it without signing up. So that was how to sign up for the DMV Practice Test app. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.